Hello there, foreign beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I know I am like super oily, your girl. It's the end of the day. It's probably like around, it's around 6:12 o'clock, 6:12 in the afternoon. So I'm oily. That's just what it is. So today's video, I'm going to be organizing my shower and cleaning my shower. And I thought I'd go ahead and share this with you guys because along with skincare, being clean and how you organize your skincare is very important. So we're gonna jump right into it. If you haven't seen what's in my shower, I have one up from like, I think it was 2020. I'm gonna do an updated one, but like if you want to see like my whole shower, like what's in my shower video, that's my most recent one. I'll link it above down below. And then of course I'll film a new one for you guys, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview of currently what my shower is looking like, and then we're gonna organize it, and then we're gonna get into it afterwards. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, my shower is not looking organized at all. Don't judge me. Okay, there's like hair in my comb. There is hair on my walls because I washed my hair. And then we have, of course, like this little nook right here where I empty products, things like not organized. Shampoo. You guys can tell that my walls are pretty dirty. That's pretty much it. So what we're gonna start doing is I'm gonna first try to organize all of this stuff, like here, there, and then I'm gonna just clean this entire shower, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like as the final result. So let's get started. Alright, you guys, we are back. The shower is done. It is clean and all. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at how I organized it. Alright, so we're gonna start on this side first. So of course, as you guys can see above, I put all of my body scrubs up there. So I have a vitamin C body scrub, which I need more of, and I have my yoni scrub, which I made. And then down here I put my body washes here, and then I have my honey pot there. You guys know I love me some honey pot. On the side here I have my razor. It doesn't have a blade because I put them in as I use them. I have a bar of soap, which I'm actually trying out from this company that I bought from. I forgot the name of it, but bar of soap there. I have my little like body exfoliator, I forgot what they call it. And then I have my white tooth comb from when I do my hair in the shower. And then I have this little pumice stone here, which has hair in it, which is so annoying because it just gets hair in it because I do my hair in the shower and it ends up getting all in my pumice stone, which is for my feet. So that's like really annoying. But anyway, so that is like pretty much what this section is here. And then of course, if you move over to this little corner here, let me open this up so you guys can see it. Now this is the fun part because all of my face care is in here. So I have like my Derma E Vitamin C Gentle Cleanser, my purifying detox scrub, the whipped pharmacy face wash. I have actually a random shampoo by Curls there. I have a Derma E Glycolic face wash. I have the Dr. Zenovia's face wash, some Shea Moisture, African Black Soap Scrub, and then I have the Derma E Purifying Charcoal Cleanser, and then I have just some random body scrub that I'm trying to use up. And then down here I have my Curls shampoo and the Shea Moisture Strengthening Treatment face hair mask there. So pretty much that is all that I have in this little nook here. I'm just trying to keep it real simple because you guys, I got a lot of products to get rid of, and so I've been trying my best to use things up before I buy. So you guys, that is how I cleaned and organized my shower. I will definitely do a updated what's in my shower video just to get more into detail into products and what is in my shower. But as far as like how I cleaned it, how I organized it, my setup is real simple, really simple. And so yeah, with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.